man, I was not ready for this. Look at the golden, the crisp, the crunchy. Look at the outer side. Man, look, it's beautiful. Do y'all know what this is? Real chicken nuggets, y'all. Not the fake ones you get at the Mickey D's, but the real ones. Hey, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me again. We finally made it to the 200, y'all. Finally, after all this time. Now let's race to 300. Come on, y'all. Chicken nuggets. For this recipe, you're gonna need 3 to 4 pounds of ground chicken thigh. You're gonna need all-purpose flour, cornstarch, accent, salt, poultry season, paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder, y'all. Now, for the chicken in this case, because we didn't find it ground already, we're gonna grind up the chicken thigh we got in the fridge. So first we start off by trimming some of the fat down, right? You know how this goes. We're gonna use that trash meat grinder I got off of Amazon. So we chop off some of the excess fat, we slice it up, we go ahead and drop it in there, and we go ahead and start grinding our meat. I mean, let's just be honest. Who don't like seeing their meat getting ground up, right? All right, we like to grind this to a medium texture, right? Medium texture, because if you use the small fine texture, it's gonna be like a paste, and that doesn't work good for nuggets. You know, you need some kind of consistency, some kind of texture on those nuggets. See that? Everybody likes seeing the meat ground in slow-mo. This is what you need. You see the texture? Those little meatballs all in there? You need that. Now, we're gonna take about 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You see that? Drop that in. I'm using my baby mixing bowl because I don't care. We're gonna put in about 1/3 cup of cornstarch to 1/2 cup. Then we're gonna further season our flour cornstarch mixture with some accent. We're gonna use about 1/2 teaspoon of accent. Okay, most of these come into 1/2 teaspoons, so I'll just say 1/2 accent or 1/2 whatever we're using. So 1/2 accent, 1/2 salt, 1/2 poultry season, 1/2 paprika. And the key is, the cool thing about paprika, it's gonna redden up everything. Now we're only gonna squeeze up 1/2 that meat, okay? We squeeze 1/2 the meat because if we squeeze it all, the texture will be bad. Then we're gonna further season the meat with the above listed seasonings. Then we're gonna give that a good mix. It's a real easy recipe, y'all. Now we're gonna take our trusty old cast iron pot. This is our baby Dutch oven. We love this thing. Look at that. Look, why don't your cast iron look like that? Click the link right up there for my seasoning and restoring cast iron video. You need to learn how to keep your cast iron looking this good. Now we're gonna take an egg. We're gonna beat that egg, and we're gonna pour that egg inside of our meat. Then we give our meat a good mix, as you could probably already guess. That's gonna help give it some stickiness. Now for the funny part, we're gonna make our meatballs. And making our meatballs, we take that chicken, we round it off. But look at the size of that. Look at it. Is that those baby balls you get at McDonald's? Nah, it's not. Now we're taking it in that flour mixture and we're pressing as we're rolling. We're pressing and rolling, pressing and rolling. You see that? That way it's thoroughly covered. And we always do our test piece inside of our flour. So we take 1. Let's lower that in there. All right. Our test piece is designed, we're checking the temperature and the time frame it takes. After 8 minutes, I ate that one, but we got the temperature up and good. Now we're frying a bunch more. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, cast iron makes some of the best stuff. Anything you cooking in, cast iron, they just do it. As long as you're not cooking in those high acid foods, cast iron is the way to go. Look at these nuts. These ain't your mama's Mickey D's. Look at them, man. Look how they hit. Look at that. That's different, man. Look at. Oh. Yeah, you gotta have some fries with that, man. Gotta have the fries. Look at the golden, the crispiness. It just say crispy looking at it, man. Let me, you know what? I think I'm gonna have to tell you what I think about it.
Mm. 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 The taste. It's too much for y'all. Mm. Flavor, that umami. The seasoning. They all working together. The poultry seasoning. Cayenne pepper, salt. Mm. Black pepper. Everything about it. Man. You can't get this at McDonald's.
Hey, y'all. Thanks for joining. Thanks for staying. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom right. Hit that like button. I need y'all to do that. Hey, let's grow this channel out, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'll be cooking again soon.